Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to redeem a Microsoft Store key now, so first sign into the exact Microsoft account you want tied to the purchase. Once signed in, open the Microsoft Store app on Windows. This is faster than a browser. With your 25-character product key visible, select your profile icon, choose Redeem Code, and paste or type the key. Do this immediately because keys lock to the first account used, so make sure it's the correct one before you confirm. Now that you've started the redeem process, carefully enter the key characters matter. After you confirm, the store validates the code and associates the license with your account. This is why you signed in first. Once validated, the app or content will show as available under your account services and subscriptions, and the store will give an install or get button. Click that and choose the device if asked. This ties the license to your account and begins the download and installation automatically. Finish by launching the app and confirming it's activated under the same Microsoft account. If it didn't activate, don't panic. First, verify the region and that you redeemed on the intended account. Mismatched accounts are the most common issue. Also check system time and Windows updates and clear the store cache, WS reset, if downloads stall. If none of that works, sign out and back in, then contact Microsoft support with your receipt and key. That sequence saves time and resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.